Hello dancers, I'm LiWen.
And I'm Tytus.
From DanceInsanity. Today we're doing Footwork Friday because it's
Friday!
Yeah!
We're gonna do it to Feel It Still, Creative Jive. What are we gonna do choreographically? We don't know.
We're gonna make it up right now.
We are.
Okay.
So let's jump right in.
We'll see you on the other side.
So it's gonna be jive, which means we need chassés and rock steps and triple steps.
Yes.
What should we start with?
Rock step.
Okay,
yes.
How about a forward rock step? And left and then back. Rock step, left and back. So that would be 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How about some swivels?
Oh, good idea.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Pretty simple to begin with.
You count.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How hard should we make this? Sailor shuffle too hard?
No.
Okay.
So it's the 2. 1
and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.
From the top.
Beginning. Here we go. So we got and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Should we put kicks in there?
We could do baby kicks. Like kick, step, kick, step.
Easier.
Baby.
Okay.
Okay.
That's not baby kicks. This is hard. Okay. Rewind that.
Baby kicks.
Baby kicks. So we got
Yeah.
kick, step,
Tap,
tap.
close.
Ooh, okay, so tap, close.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. A kick, a step, a tap, a close. The home. No problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I like that jump. 8. Very, very scientific of you.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8.
Simple.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4,
5, 6, 7, 8. 1,
a 2, 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. I tried to do that jump too early.
Too hard for me. Yes.
Dude, I'm in last place right now. I'm forgetting the jump.
No,
It's gonna mess me up.
No, you're just in second place.
I'm in second place.
Second place. So we just danced to Feel It Still, one of our favorite songs to jive to.
Totally favorite.
Yes. So if you have a song you want us to dance to and do some awesome choreography to, leave us a comment. Hey, dancing gives you lots of energy. At least it gives us lots of energy. That combined with coffee,
Gives you even more energy.
lethal combination. More energy, more fun. Join us every Friday for Footwork Friday.
Okay, I'm Tytus. This is LiWen from DanceInsanity. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Okay, ciao.
Bye!